Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Every country's first president marks the beginning of its journey as a nation, facing early challenges and setting the stage for its future. The current president, on the other hand, reflects how the country has changed over time, dealing with modern issues and leading in today's world. By comparing the first and current presidents, we can see how countries grow and evolve from their founding to their present-day leadership. In this video, we are going to show you the first and the current presidents of each country. So let's get started. The first president of Argentina was Bernardino Rivadavia, who served from 1826 to 1827, and the current is Javier Milei. The first president of Armenia was Levan Ter-Petrosyan, who served from 1991 to 1998, and the current is Nikol Pashinyan. The first prime minister of Australia was Edmund Barton, who served from 1901 to 1903, and the current is Anthony Albanese. The first president of Azerbaijan was Ayaz Mutalibov, who served from 1919 to 1992, and the current is Ilham Aliyev. The first president of Bangladesh was Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who served from 1971 to 1975, and the current is Mohammad Yunus. The first president of Belarus was Stanislav Shashkevich, who served from 1991 to 1994, and the current is Alexander Lukashenko. The first king of Bhutan was Oyen Wangchuk, and the current is Namgyel Wangchuk. The first president of Brazil was Manuel Deodoro da Fonseca, and the current is Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. The first Sultan of Brunei was Omar Ali Saifuddin III, and the current is Hassan al-Bolkiah. The first president of Cameroon was Ahmadou Ahidjo, and the current is Paul Biya. The first Prime Minister of Canada was John Alexander MacDonald, and the current is Justin Trudeau. The first President of Chile was Pedro Montt, and the current is Gabriel Boric. The first President of China was Mao Zedong, and the current is Xi Jinping. The first president of Colombia was Simón Bolívar, and the current is Gustavo Petro. The first president of Cuba was Manuel de Céspedes, and the current is Miguel Díaz-Canel. The first president of Egypt was Mohammed Naguib, and the current is Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. The first president of France was Louis Napoleon Bonaparte, and the current is Emmanuel Macron. The first chancellor of Germany was Konrad Adenauer, and the current is Olaf Scholz. The first president of India was Rajendra Prasad, and the current prime minister is Narendra Modi. The first president of Indonesia was Sukarno, and the current is Prabowo Subianto. The first supreme leader of Iran was Ruhollah Khomeini, and the current is Ali Khamenei. The first president of Ireland was Douglas Hyde, and the current is Michael D. Higgins. The first Prime Minister of Israel was David Ben-Gurion, and the current is Benjamin Netanyahu. The first President of Italy was Enrico De Nicola, and the current is Sergio Mattarella. The first Prime Minister of Japan was Hara Takashi, and the current is Shigeru Ishiba. The first king of Jordan was Abdullah I, and the current is Abdullah II. The first president of Kazakhstan was Nursultan Nazarbayev, and the current is Qasim Jumarat Tokayev. The first Prime Minister of Malaysia was Tengku Abdul Rahman, and the current is Anwar Ibrahim. The first President of Mexico was Guadalupe Victoria, and the current is Claudia Sheinbaum Pardo. The first King of Morocco was Mohammed V, and the current is Mohammed VI. The first President of Nigeria was Nnamdi Azikiwe, and the current is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The first leader of North Korea was Kim Il-sung, and the current is Kim Jong-un. The first President of Pakistan was Iskandar Ali Mirza, and the current is Asif Ali Zardari. The first President of Philippines was Emilio Aguinaldo, and the current is Bongbong Marcos. The first President of Poland was Gabriel Norowicz, and the current is Andrzej Duda. The first Emir of Qatar was Jassim bin Mohammed Al Thani, and the current is Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. The first President of Romania was Nicolae Ceausescu, and the current is Klaus Iohannis. The first President of Russia was Boris Yeltsin, and the current is Vladimir Putin. The first King of Saudi Arabia was Abdul Aziz Al Saud, and the current is Salman bin Abdul Aziz. The first Prime Minister of Singapore was Lee Kuan Yew, and the current is Lee Hsien Loong. The first President of South Korea was Syngman Rhee, and the current is Yoon Suk Yeol. The first Prime Minister of Spain was Adolfo Suarez, and the current is Pedro Sanchez. The first President of Turkey was Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, and the current is Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The first President of Ukraine was Leonid Kravchuk, and the current is Volodymyr Zelensky. The first President of United Arab Emirates was Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, and the current is Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The first Prime Minister of United Kingdom was Robert Walpole, and the current is Keir Starmer. The first President of United States was George Washington, and the current is Donald Trump. The first President of Vietnam was Ho Chi Minh, and the current is Luan Quang. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.